simplify equations in the form of square root of a plus or minus b times the square root of c. So from experience, I'm going to tell you this can be simplified into square root of p plus or minus square root of q. And why can we do that? I'm going to show you in a second. So directly writing this equation is equal to this equation. This side, we take the square of both sides, and we have already learned that square root of a plus or minus b is equal to a squared plus or minus 2 times a times b plus the square of b. So the square of square root p and q are p and q respectively. We can get this line directly. And comparing with both sides, we know that a is equal to p plus q, and b times the square root of c is equal to 2 times the square root of p and q. But at this point, we can't get to the result of simplifying this equation. So I'm going to show you how to solve this by a concrete example.
So for example, the square for this equation, so is square root of 5 plus the 2 times square root of 6 and its whole root. So in the above cases, so 5 is equal to the part of p plus q, and 2 times the square root of 6 is equal to the 2 times square root of pq. So as the above part, we know that pq is equal to 6. So we all know that 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is, we all know that the answer is square root of 3 plus the square root